Hello friends, welcome to Tech Sigma. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to add table in your website using HTML. Adding table in HTML is very easy. You have to just follow some simple steps. Let us see what are these steps. For adding table, we need a table tag, and that tag is table, just simply opening and closing tag. Alright, for our table we need rows. Alright, so for table row we need a table row tag, and the tag is table row with opening and closing bracket. Alright, after giving table row to our table, we need table heading. Alright, for table heading we are having table heading tag, and this tag is for giving heading to your table. Alright, so let us give some data. For your table heading, give first heading to your table as first name. Give another table heading and give it last name heading. Right, give it another table heading with age, and give another table heading as city. Alright, so as you can see, this is the table with having table heading as first name, last name, age and city. Alright, let us see the output. First name, last name, age and city. Alright, we have to add data under this heading. For that we need another table row. Alright, this table row is for our first row, so let us give the table data with the tag td. This table data is for the first row and for first column. So our first column is first name and first row is this table row is first row, and this table heading is our first column. So let's give the data for first name as Sarish. Alright, now another table data will be the data for first row and for the second column. Here our second column is last name. Alright, so give it last name as Ansari. Now another table data is for first row and third column. Our third column is for age, so give age as 7. Now table data, this is for first row, and our fourth column, that is city, give it Lucknow. Alright, so this is our table with only one row and 4 columns. Let us see the output. See, first name is Parish, last name is Ansari, age 7, city Lucknow. Let us add some more data to it. Alright, for this we need another table row. Under table row, give table data as John. Table data for second name is Henry. Table data for age 27. Table data for city Hyderabad. Now give some more data. Give table row, table data for first name, give it Anurag. Table data for second column, last name is Umare. Table data for age 70. table data for city color. Let's see the output. This is our output for adding table to your website. Alright, we can center our table as well. So just give a table style. Table style will be table align. Sorry, table align will be center. Alright, see the output. As you can see, our table comes in the center. So this is how you can add table to your website, just giving some simple steps. Let us see how to give table border. So giving table border is not too much tricky. You have to just add some CSS. So we have to give CSS under the style tag, which come under the heading tag, and the style tag is somewhat like style with closing and opening bracket. Alright, this style tag is for typing our CSS code. Alright, now give it a table, comma table heading, comma table data. Alright, this is table tag, this is table heading tag, and this is for table data tag. Alright, now this is a bracket. Under this give border, B-O-R-D, border, now colon, border, give double no, let us give only 1 pixel of border. Alright, with solid and color black. Alright, semicolon. Okay. This is how you can change your properties, your table properties using CSS. As you can see, all of our data is now under the border. Right? You can change the color of your border, like give it with black, red. Alright, you can see the output. See, this is how you can change your color of the table border. You can change the color of your text. You can change you can change the border of your table from solid to dotted, dashed, double, hidden, medium, bridge. Let's say for dashed. Alright, you can see here the table border is here dashed. Alright, now this is enough for the day. In our next video, we will discuss about how to insert image in your website, how to add some animation using CSS, using JavaScript. So follow TechSigma on Instagram, subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment for a new video from us, and have a good day. Thank you.